Hello guys, on this quick video I want to show you how you can connect your T500 smart wristwatch to your phone, to your iPhone. Let me show you. Click on your smart wristwatch, go to the Bluetooth, on the Bluetooth. After you're on the Bluetooth, come out to the wall, go back to the menu. You can see the icon of the Bluetooth. Click on it, go to the setting on your iPhone. Now go to the Bluetooth. On your Bluetooth on your iPhone, now you ready to search. Yeah, it has seen it here. Yeah, it's also here. It's also here. You can see it. Click on the iPhone. Now click on OK. Click on the Bluetooth here. Yeah, can you see the pair it? Yeah, it's connected. Now go on here, the notification, put it on. The synchronization, put it on, because that will make you see all your contacts on your phone. Now go back. Now you come to notification here. On this notification here, you put the show preview always. Yeah, then you go back. Oh, let's see the WhatsApp. Yeah, can you see everything is on because you've put it in on. Okay, go back, then you download iWatch on your iPhone. After you download it, then you click on it. Yeah, can you see it's disconnected? Then you click go here, then you click connect. Yeah, sorry, it's searching for it. Yeah, it's connected. Now you have a dial update. Yeah, can you see it's connected to your phone? Yeah, so you can do all the things, the functions of your phone. You can do it directly from here. You can do it directly from here. On my next video I will show you how you can measure your heart rate, measure your blood pressure on your smart wristwatch. However, now you can call from your phone. Let's try to call from this phone. Let's try to call. Okay, let me call from the from our okay, let me play music. Yeah, can you see the music is on? Can you see? Can you see that's the music? Go back. Let's go to call. This call can dial. Let's go to our phone book. These are phone book. Yeah, let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go to dial. Okay, 84504637. Okay. Yeah, can you see automatically it's calling directly, so you can receive your call directly from here. Yeah, so that is it. That is how you can connect your smart wristwatch T500 to your iPhone. On my next video I will show you how you can, as I've told you, how you can measure your heart rate, measure your speed, use it for fitness.